gotten back from the gym. I look like a hot ass mess right now. I probably am stinking also, but I just stepped into the gym almost after 2 weeks at this point, and I was sick for a week. It was not COVID. I just had like a viral fever because of the weather change, and yeah, my immunity has really taken a toll. So I just wanted to go to the gym to just kind of feel a little better, get my endorphins flowing and stuff like that. So now that I'm back, I still want to have a little bit of a self-care session. Nothing too major because I still have a lot of work that needs to get done. I need to edit videos, and you know, I need to edit video, and I have deadlines that I need to match. So but still, self-care is priority. So follow me along while I do a quick self-care routine. Let's go.
First up is obviously a shower. I just quickly jump into the shower, and I like having pretty warm / hot showers. I like it when it is sort of almost burning my skin. I know it's not obviously recommended, but this is just something I like. And here I'm going in with the Body Cupid Aqua Wave Shower Gel. This honestly feels like such a breath of fresh air that I'm inhaling. It has such an exhilarating, energizing fragrance, and I love aqua fragrances. So this is the best kind of shower gel to give you that right pick-me-up every time you want to really pamper yourself and feel fresh. The best thing about this is that it lathers really well, and it's also free of any harsh sulfates or parabens and minerals. I feel very clean, energized, and smelling like the ocean every time I'm done taking a shower with this. Once I'm out of the shower, when my skin is still damp, I like going in with this Body Cupid Peach Addict Daily Body Lotion. Again, the smell of this is so delicious. It smells like peaches. It's luscious, thick and creamy. Especially in the monsoon, I feel like a thick body lotion like this really helps with hydrating your skin from within. The smell of this is also super duper yummy, and it just layers beautifully with the shower gel that we used previously. Once I'm done with body care and all of that, I quickly, got dressed for the day. And before I can really call myself dressed for the day, I like spritzing myself all over with this Aqua Wave perfume. This is the perfume, which is a unisex perfume, and this is something that I honestly swear by. Like I said, I love aqua fragrances, and this as the last layer of my fragrance really makes me feel super energized. Like I mentioned, I love aqua fragrances. This is the perfect unisex fragrance that you could carry even in your bag or something of that sort, because the bottle is not that bulky. When I'm carrying a big tote bag or something like that, I definitely carry this with me, and a couple of spritz of this and you just feel so supercharged and you are ready to take on the day. I absolutely freaking love this.
Now that I feel that I'm smelling like $1 million, I'm about to go crack some $1 million deal and get on with my day. I feel like if you start your day with, the right kind of self-care and, pamper sesh, it can really put you in a good mood for kind of going through the rest of your day. And that's what I believe in. I was kind of under the weather a couple of days back, so this is just something that I needed to kind of get me in the mood to get started with the rest of the day and the rest of the week. And aqua fragrances are honestly the most energizing fragrances that I have ever used, so that is definitely something that I love. I will leave a link to all the products in the description box, so definitely check that out. And yeah, let me know what other videos you like to watch. I would love to film that for you guys. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.